Now that the summary of routine work is done, I'd like to begin the discussion for this meeting regarding Mr. Ma's suggestion to establish Donghai's warehousing workshop.
So, Xiaosong, if you have any good suggestion or idea, please share so that we can discuss it.
Everyone knows the advantages of Donghai Pier. In that case, there's no need to explain more. Previously, Mr. Ma proposed to raise the pier right up to the workshop level. I agreed in principle. But back then, we didn't have a suitable candidate to manage the pier. That's why the matter was shelved. So now, Engineer Feng, who was sent by the higher-ups, is here. And of course, her optimized capacity, alongside her comprehensive warehouse management proposals, are feasible. So I think now is the right time for us to establish the warehousing workshop.
Donghai's current production capacity is only 300,000 tons at most. There isn't much pressure on the pier to transport materials and finished products. I really don't think it's appropriate to raise the pier level now.
The first phase output is limited. Besides, Engineer Feng came up with a comprehensive proposal to work with the port authorities in the loading and unloading of cargo. This proposal finally utilizes the pier capacity and increases revenue for Donghai.
I already saw Xiaofeng's proposal. The theoretical design is fine, but to achieve that, lateral communication between several local agencies is needed. Judging from the state of these segmentations at the local level, I'm telling you now, it's gonna be tough to implement.
But it's not impossible to pull off. We just need ability and determination. If everyone at the pier can cooperate with Engineer Feng, I believe this proposal can be implemented.
Xiaofeng hasn't joined the factory for long. Am I right, Gao?
Right. Of course.
I don't know. A young comrade in her early 30s gets promoted to be a factory director this early? Won't the senior employees at Donghai get disgruntled about that? I mean, if they feel resentful, no doubt they'll have conflicts with Xiaofeng, most especially when they start working together. Hey, I'm not saying that we gotta object to this matter. I'm just worried about the future management and scheduling.
I know that Engineer Feng's gotten along well with the original pier director for the past few months. So there's nothing to stress in that regard. Well then, if there are no other opinions about this, I suggest we vote. I vote in favor.
I agree. Well, I object. I practically explained my reasons just now, didn't I?
Comrade Feng Shuihua is a top talent sent by the ministry. She knows international port management. She has been quite competent for the past few months now. I personally think that Comrade Feng Shuihua is eligible to be serving as the person in charge of Donghai's workshop.
As do I.
You may go.
That Xiaofeng won't make it. I've never seen anyone so young could manage the pier well.
Listen here, comrade. Xiaofeng's an outstanding talent sent by the ministry.
No, you don't say. This is just transporting goods at the pier. Why can't this be managed with the original method? Why even come up with this kind of a joint expansion project? She's in way over her head.
Well, since you have so many concerns, why didn't you voice them at the meeting?
I did. But no one listened. And Liu, forget him, that's how he is. And Gao, he nodded at me throughout the meeting. And in the end, he just agreed. Xiaosong's so eloquent, I couldn't out-talk him.
Of course, I know. Where dock management is concerned, you and Zhao have your own ways. However, you should pay attention to learning and keep up with the times.
Mr. Ma, you know that Zhao is quite a fast learner. He's also practical and hardworking. Why can't he manage the Pier? And that Jin Chang Xiao, he's just horrible. You shouldn't have transferred him from the Port Authority.
Han, you can put forward your opinions, or even share complaints with me. However, this task here is still my duty. As long as your thoughts can be straightened out so that you can work with ease, I won't ask for anything else.
Well, I don't feel at ease. Tell me, is there any matter of concern in Donghai, be it serious or trivial, that I have a say in? I've thought about it over and over by now. There's nothing. I might just well request for my transfer.
Transfer to where?
Any place is fine with me. I'm a technical person. There's no place I can't stay on.
Donghai. You'd be unable to stay on in Donghai. Tell me, comrade. How old are you, exactly? Can't you even speak or act in the proper manner a leader should? I propose to upgrade the Pier to the workshop level. Since Xiao Feng's doing a good job, we should promote her. We don't want to be like those bureaucrats who form cliques and engage in workplace politics.
Take it easy there, will you? Fine, you're broad-minded. I was wrong.
Han, there is something you're right about. As the Deputy Technical Director, yes, you're very much underutilized. I should try to give you more tasks.
Mr. Ma, I can't be idle for long. I've never been picky about the tasks you assigned me.
Currently, the second phase will be launched soon. I think it's better that you share the workload.
But Song Yunhui deals with the Japanese on equipment for the second phase. He's gonna go to Japan for an inspection by this year. What's left for me?
Han, do you know the budget for the equipment in the second phase?
$20 million. And we all saw the report.
The ministry doesn't have that much budget.
What?
Currently, the foreign exchange quota is limited. The ministry can't spend that much money.
Why is Song Yunhui going to all the trouble then?
He's always enjoyed challenging himself to reach higher goals. I guess he's planning to negotiate with the manufacturers while fighting for a higher budget.
Oh. He's got guts. No, Mr. Bao, we can't do this. Sit down, listen. Mr. Ma, we have faced setbacks during the first phase. We didn't manage to buy imported equipment. But now the higher-ups support us strongly in the second phase. There can't be new problems now.
In the current environment, Japanese companies are the only ones who initiated to resume trade with us. None of us know how long this period will last. However, we must learn our lesson from the embargo. As long as the equipment is more sophisticated than the current one, we must import it soon and implement the second phase of construction.
I got it. I'll work on a practical proposal based on the budget and design capacity. Then I'll show it to you. What do you think?
Me.
Grandpa, when is Daddy getting home?
Your daddy's working overtime, all right? Focus. But
But I think Daddy's already here.
Xiaoyan, your daddy will be back when you finish playing, okay?
Daddy!
Hey, Xiaoyan! Ay. Did you miss Daddy? Give me a kiss.
Xiaolei,
Good girl.
have
Hey,
you
Mom.
had your dinner?
Not yet.
I'll heat up the dishes for you.
Xiaoyan, hey, finish playing this before you play with your dad. Come on.
Let's play for another 5 minutes before we practice your music.
Okay.
You're causing trouble again, huh? Tomorrow, Xiaoyan here is gonna play the piano for the teacher at Children's Palace. Until now, she still can't play a piece of music.
Really?
But I know how to play. I need a real piano, not that cardboard. Grandpa doesn't know what he's saying.
Oh, really?
Tell you what. Next month, I'm gonna buy you your own piano.
You mean it?
When have I ever broken my promise to you?
Pinky swear.
Okay, pinky swear. Hey.
Xiaolei,
Yeah?
dinner's ready.
Okay. Come on, let's have dinner. Hey. Dad, Mom, have you eaten yet?
Yes, we have.
Okay.
Xiaoyan, let daddy eat. We'll practice some more. Come on.
I want to play with Daddy after his dinner.
I'm sure he will.
Go back to your practicing now.
Come on.
Here, have an egg. You should eat more. Here.
Kaiyan isn't home yet?
She called and said their unit has a gathering tonight.
Oh.
Here, finish the rest.
I can handle this.
So how are you and Kaiyan?
We're good. We're both fine.
I'm glad then. Good to know. Here, eat some more, dear. There's still soup. Would you like
No
some?
thanks, I'm almost done. Let me do the dishes.
It's all right. Let me handle this. Xiaohui,
Yes?
be honest with me, all right? Were you and Kaiyan fighting recently?
Mom, I already told you we're doing fine.
Unlike our last stay here, Kaiyan's been acting awfully different. She's been too quiet and never cracked a smile. She seemed distracted when she was testing Zhao Yin. What's fine about that?
Let me tell you a bedtime story, okay?
If you really don't want to tell me, I won't force you. But I want to remind you, your father and I are old. We don't really ask for much these days. We only hope that you live well, that's all.
I know. Did she tell you where the gathering's held?
She said it's near her unit. What's it called? Shuefu Restaurant.
I'll go and fetch her.
Oh, all right. Drive carefully, dear.
I know. Dad?
Yeah?
Daddy!
Hey, Xiaoyan. I'm gonna go pick Mommy up. Behave yourself. I'll be back soon, Dad.
Is it still gonna rain?
Did the rain stop yet?
Oh, the ground is so wet.
Oh, no, neither did I. What do we
Did
do
you girls
now?
bring your umbrellas?
Hey,
Why are you here?
I heard from Mom you had a gathering here, so I'm here.
Oh,
Xiao Cheng, who is this guy?
oh, he's my husband. Let me introduce everyone. These are my colleagues. Sister Pei, Sister Fan, and Sister Tian. Oh, hello.
Xiao Cheng, you lucky girl.
Oh, it might start raining again soon. Why don't we give them a lift back to their homes?
Sure, no problem.
How thoughtful of you. Thanks, Mr. Song. We definitely owe you and Xiao Cheng.
Here, get in.
Oh, thank you. Now let's ride Mr. Song's car. Let's go, it's getting late.
Kitty, your seatbelt.
Oh.
This car is really spacious.
We won't get in the rain now.
Yeah.
It's a good thing Mr. Song offered to give us a lift. Thank you, Mr. Song.
So where do you live? Just give me directions.
Oh, we all live together in the staff dormitory.
Right. We all live together.
Okay.
Goodness. Will you look at that? Mr. Song's so good to his wife. No wonder Xiao Cheng talks about him every day.
I don't talk about him every day. You barely even know who he is. People in the bureau don't even know what his job is.
Xiao Cheng's so tight-lipped, she only told us once or twice. But everyone knows your husband's quite capable. You simply don't want to use his connections.
I mean, if my husband were so capable and considerate, I wouldn't want to go to work. I'd go out early and return late at night. I'd have to be at Madame Sui's mercy, too.
It's quite good this way now. What's the point of staying home? When I'm at home, I've got no one to talk to there. It's just boring.
Xiao Cheng is right. If you lead a good life, why should you hide at home? You didn't do anything bad. Someone's just jealous because her husband isn't as capable, obviously. Why should we fear that kind of person? She can't do anything except be sarcastic.
So true, so true.
So is this the place?
Yes, we're here.
Finally, home sweet home.
Thank you very much, Mr.
Right,
Song.
thank you, Mr. Song.
You're welcome, ladies.
Xiao Cheng, see you tomorrow, right?
Watch your step.
Okay, see you
see
tomorrow.
ya.
Yes, see you tomorrow.
You too. Thank you.
Yeah,
Good
good
night.
night.
Night. Good night.
Xiao Cheng, thanks again.
Careful on the step.
Bye.
Right.
Kaiyan, why don't I send my regards to your director and get you transferred?
It's okay, don't bother. I've gotten used to it.
I'm sorry. I neglected this for so long. Now you're suffering for it.
I'm really fine. I'm not the one who did something wrong. She doesn't dare to pick on me. Besides, if I'm transferred to another department, I'll have to learn the ropes again, so I just can't.
All right, then. Hey, you seem to get along well with them.
Xiaolei, thank you for picking me up tonight. I mean it.
In that case, if you have any event, just tell me in advance. I can pick you up if I'm free.
Really? You aren't busy lately? I realized that ever since Xiaoyin Dad and Mom got here, you seem to be arriving back from work earlier than before.
The tasks for the first 2 quarters were done ahead of schedule. Work in the various departments has also been adjusted, and so I don't have to monitor the front line.
Oh. Do you need to work overtime tomorrow?
I don't.
Then we should take Xiaoyin to the Children's Palace together.
Weekends are the only time you get to sleep in. I can go alone.
I'm thinking we haven't gone out together for a long time. Now that there are more people at home, there's no place to talk with you.
So let's go together tomorrow then. When Xiaoyan's having her lessons, we can go shopping.
I thought you didn't like going shopping.
But then we'll go for a walk.
Great! Xiaolei, you're always going to treat me well, right?
Why would you ask that, Kitty?
I thought that you started to resent me after that incident last time.
I didn't bring that up because I knew you'd feel awkward. Obviously, there are lessons to be learned. from all that's happened. Just gotta figure it out. In the future, no matter what problems we have, let's talk about it, okay? And I'm really sorry for my lack of consideration after all this time.
Okay. I accept your apology.
Let's go, Xiaoyan. Whoa, it's flooded. Here, let me carry you. Just give me a minute here.
Sure. Be careful.
Got it. Here, don't hit your head.
Don't hit your head.
Okay. Sit over there and let your mom sit here. Come on.
Hey, Mommy, you're too big to be carried like that. Also, you're heavier too.
She does have a point.
Don't get smart with me. I'm still your mommy. You got that from your dad. Here, let me take this off. And your bag. Now scooch over here. Come here, I'll hold you. That's right.
Xiaoyan, remember now, do well in class today. You promised Daddy that you could play music.
I know how to play music. Besides, I'm gonna be performing today with Tao Ling Tian.
Sounds great, huh? Can you hum the melody for Daddy?
Only you can keep her in check. My parents and I can't handle her. You listen to Daddy, but not me. You know that, right? You sneaky little girl. Remember to be attentive in class.
Yeah.
We'll test you tonight on what you learned today.
Mommy, I still want to eat some of that chocolate.
Didn't you already have one in the car?
Just one more piece, please. Give me one more piece
Just
and
give her
I'll
the
go
chocolate.
to class.
She's got a cavity in her back tooth.
Tao Ling Tian, why are you late?
My mom was late. She just got off work. She didn't even have my clothes ready.
Is your foot feeling better? My daddy and I can still give you a lift home.
Hey, Mom, I'd like to ride in Uncle Song's car again.
Class is starting now. Let's go.
Careful.
Now be good.
Hello.
Good day, Mr. Song.
Likewise, Dr. Tao.
And this is?
Ah, this is my wife, Cheng Kaiyan. Kaiyan, this is Tao Ling Tian's mother, Dr. Tao.
Hello.
Hello.
It seems that Tao Ling Tian's foot is better.
Yes, it is. Thank you again for helping us out all this time.
Sure, you're welcome.
Oh, I gotta get to the office. Until next time.
Right, take care.
You too.
Let's sit over there. Look, some time ago, her kid's foot got sprained, and the boy couldn't even ride his bike, so I gave them a lift.
Oh, I understand. We're all parents, so we should help each other.
I'm glad you understand.
Is Tao Ling Tian just with his mom? What about his father?
I've never ever seen his father. They never mentioned him. I guess he's just busy.
Tao Ling Tian. Oh, her son takes after her surname.
Kitty, we shouldn't stick our noses into their business.
Oh, I mean, compared to Dr. Tao, I'm way more fortunate since I'm married to you. So from now on, the two of us should escort Xiaoyan here together, all right?
Yang Shuo,
Huh?
why don't I go in and order the dishes first? Let's not order the food only after they arrive.
What time is it?
7:30.
We can wait.
Just where the heck is he?
Come on, he's a leader. He's gotta be busy. I'll call and ask him. Well, he's on his way. Let's wait.
Mr. Sun told you that, right?
Of course.
He already said that an hour ago. Where's the car already? It must have reached Shanghai. He's just a damn director. Why the hell is he doing this? Not even Song Yunhui would dare make me wait this long.
You can leave if you want.
Why, you...
Just leave. Isn't this how it goes when you ask for a favor? He's given us great honor by agreeing to come all this way. So what if he's late? Even if he calls and suddenly says he's got to cancel the meeting, what the hell can you do? Look, you still gotta smile and say, you understand that the leader is busy, right?
Yes, right here.
Is this the room? Director Gao! Director Gao, why didn't you inform me? I didn't go out to welcome you.
Xiaoyan?
I'm so sorry, Director. I'm so sorry.
No, I kept you waiting.
Director
Did
Gao.
you wait long?
We're good, we're good.
Let's get a move on. Right this way, please. Please, gentlemen,
Well,
come this way.
Xiaoyan, our bureau set up a federation with the management department and the mining industry. Director Gao's the chief leader. He made a summary speech.
I understand that the leader is
Exactly.
always going to be busy. My brother, Mr. Song, would oftentimes tell me that Director Gao is serious at work and constantly faces high work intensity. But thanks for giving us this time from your...
Xiaoyan, hold on a second. Song and I know each other very well. So let's skip the formalities. Are we clear?
Yes, of course.
I still have work to do. I need to make an appearance. I do know your situation. Actually, Donghai has always welcomed enterprises with strength and credibility all throughout this time.
Of course.
And your intention to start a market is good for Donghai.
Thank you.
And so for the development of Donghai, the city has planned a portion of land to develop. We plan to allocate a piece for you.
What?
You can talk to
Thank you.
Xiao-san
Thank you,
about
Director
the
Gao.
specific situation, all right? Okay, I gotta go. Take care. It's mainly because all of your top requirements fit the criteria. That's why we allocated the land to you. That's why you must learn to manage the market by now. I have full confidence in you.
Rest assured, I will not disappoint either of you.
Splendid. I'm off now.
Have a safe trip,
Good luck,
Director
kid.
Gao. Thank you, Director Gao.
Bye. Take care.
Hey, you've stepped on a puddle. You're walking so unsteadily. Come on. Why did you drink that much? Did you have to be this drunk?
Am I? Sorry, I didn't notice.
Are you kidding me? Hey. Where are you going?
Oh, this way. This way. Hey, do. I made a mistake today. Why did I act tough? I dragged Mr. Sun right under the damn table. But look at me, I'm sober. Wouldn't he feel so displeased? He'd surely feel displeased.
Just get some sleep.
Oh, Mr. Sun. What the hell did he say again? He said, I can do the paperwork tomorrow. I must bring all the materials.
You still there?
They do. Do you know any doctor?
Yeah, why?
Can you maybe refer me to him?
Yeah. Go this way. Turn right at the intersection and it's there. Hongxin Clinic. Find Dr. Zhang.
That'll cost money, man. I'm not sick. I need an injection.
Not sick?
I just need an injection in my arm.
You are seriously out of your mind, kid.
All the materials are ready. Quit grooming yourself. Get moving.
Here, help me with this.
For what?
To make the leader feel at ease, that's all. Hurry! Come on.
You really gotta do this?
Keep it down. Don't let people hear you.
It's decided then, gentlemen. The final specifications of resettlement housing have all cleared. When construction is done, don't cut corners.
Of course.
All right?
Director Gao, don't worry. We got this all covered.
Hey there, Xiaoyang.
Director Gao.
You're here.
Director
Right
Gao.
here, right here. Come in here. Sit down. Let's see your materials. Xiaoyang, have a seat first. I'll look at your materials. I'll settle this matter, all right? What in the... Your materials aren't complete at all. I said you should bring the full set of planning maps and design drawings. How about this then? Make another trip here, all right? Bring them in the afternoon. I'll still be here. Got it?
Yes, I'll get on it at once. Thank
Good.
you, Director Gao. Thank you.
My office is bustling with people, you see? Are you nervous?
No. Look, Dashun didn't get me a glass of water. You had to do it yourself. Come on now.
Xiaoyang.
Yes?
Here, have some.
Thank you.
Hey now, what happened to you? Did you get sick since you're not used to the environment of Donghai?
Oh, no. I was completely drunk last night. I had an IV drip at the health center.
Social drinking. It's simply like a battlefield, you know? Indeed.
Indeed.
Have you prepared the materials for the paperwork?
Of course, indeed. Mr.
let's
Sun
see
already
it.
told us. Here, have a look.
Okay. Oh, sit.
All right.
Please. Come to my office, now. Well, you're quite efficient.
Director.
Yes, do the paperwork for the allocation of land number 104. Move it.
Right away.
Director Gao, thank you. I have to stand and give you a bow.
Hold it. Don't bow to me. Don't thank me yet. This matter won't be settled all at once. Next, you have to go to several related units such as, planning, construction committee, environmental
I
protection,
understand.
so be patient.
My mistake.
But Xiaoyang, develop the land once you have it, all right? I do still remember how you bragged that we'd have our own large wholesale market.
Of course.
And we look forward to seeing that.
Rest assured, Director, I'll accomplish that task. Hey, Director Gao.
Yes?
Donghai is very much a large place. Why did you allocate such a remote area for me to develop?
Donghai isn't that big, my boy. It's still surrounded by mountains and water. The topography has limited the development of our city.
I understand.
That's why land is very precious in Donghai.
Director, Li from Guarong is here.
Hello, Director Gao.
Hello, Lee.
I'm here to submit the materials for filing. I'd also like to know when the paperwork for the change of nature of business can be completed. For land number 39.
It's still not approved.
Unfortunately.
Come with me to the approval department, all right?
Of course. I'll be there.
Xiaoyan, this won't take long, all right?
Yeah, of course.
We'll be back.
Sure. $39. I really thought we were lucky. It turns out that we're not.
What's wrong?
Look at this. Land number 39. That Guorong Corporation got this piece of land. It's right at the city center, but look at ours. 104, it's located at the outskirts of Donghai. Why is he so capable to have gotten such a good commercial land? Oh, damn it. I gotta talk to Brother Xiaolei. He's simply slighting Brother Xiaolei.
Who's slighting who? Huh?
Director Gao, we're all contributing to Donghai here. So why exactly is there a big difference in the allocated land for Guorong?
Xiaoyang, you don't understand the situation at all. Guorong Corporation is a tertiary business under the government. Their general manager, Xiao Ran, runs a massive business. It's registered under the government. You just can't compete.
So tell me more about this Xiao Ran, if you don't mind.
I can only tell you that he's well off and quite an elite. Xiaoyang, I allocated this land, most especially for you. If it isn't because Donghai needed such a large wholesale market, I'd be reluctant to allocate it to you. If you don't want it, I can take it back.
Director Gao, I was unclear about the situation, so please don't take it to heart. Once I get better at this, I'll thank you properly, okay?
No. People like us are afraid of socializing. When you suffer, we suffer as well.
Of course.
Let's just forget it. If you face any business problems in the future, and for as long as it's a reasonable request, feel free to ask for my help.
Thank you, Director Gao. Thank you. Thank you.